Today we're going to have a look at this PoE power supply. Now this doesn't power up at all, and if I show you this, there's no light, but I have a second one. When I plug that in, I get a light, so this one doesn't work at all. So let's get inside and see if we can find out what's wrong. Right, there's no screws. Okay, we just need to be careful because there could be some charged capacitors, and please don't copy what you see in these videos. There we are. I think I see the problem straight away. Yep, this capacitor is domed. That one looks okay. That looks like it's on the input side. So it's that pin and that pin. So let's check the voltage. Let's see. So there's 8 volts there. That looks like a fuse there. So let's test that. That's fine. Other than that, it looks okay. Let's see what it is. It looks like it's a 105 degree one. 22 microfarads. 400 volts, so I definitely don't have one of them. Let's have a look inside this one, but this is actually working okay. Careful with this one as well. Well, we could take this capacitor out and replace it in there, and maybe see if that works. I've just spotted something in this. Up here we have a slight issue. Don't know what's happened there. So I think we need to clean that up first of all. The resistor looks like it's taken the pins with it. That looks like actually it's for one side of the LED, so that's probably why the LED isn't working. Let's go back and take this one off. Okay, and yep, pretty bulged. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll put this one in. Okay, we're not going to get the LED, but we can run the test and just make sure that we get a good voltage output. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in. I don't really like messing about with these kind of mains type of things. I really need to get one of those dim bulb testers. Now, there won't be a light. We can actually check the PoE. So if we put it into PoE. So I'm going to power it up at the other side now. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's a good start. And let's plug it into here. And we get a blue solid light, which is passive 48 volts. Okay, so the new part has arrived. We've got a few of them, so we've got some spares. So let's fit this. And hopefully that should be this one fixed. Right, so that's the capacitor back into this one. So let's stick this on the detector as well and just make sure that it works. and yeah, there we go. So we've got the little light. Good, so that's that one working. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these LEDs and put it into here. So let's see, we've got a green one in here just now, and this is green as well. So let's see if we take, now I've got another one with a blue LED in it. So let's take a different one. Let's take a white one. Now these are 3mm LEDs. Let's fix up these two pads. This stuff isn't the easiest to work with. Just going to add a little bit of glue. And then there's our new 3K resistor. Hopefully that glue will dry and then we should be good to go. So this I'm not 100% happy with. I'd really be interested to hear if you've got any better solutions for doing this. I think that copper probably isn't the best. This is secure, it's not going anywhere, but the glue's holding it in place, but I just don't like using that. I would like to use something better. So if you've got any ideas, what do you use? I'd love to hear them. Maybe I can do a follow-up video on this. Oh, there we are. We have a light. So let's try the PoE. And yes, there we are. So we're getting a good PoE signal there. Okay, so I've got a little camera here that I'm going to use for testing. So we've got a little network switch here, and the LAN cable is hooked up, and we've got the PoE cable here. So when we plug this in, we should get a little connection. So there we are, and it seems to be working. And off it goes, doing its thing. So all looks good, and oh, what are you doing? So it's all working, and yeah, that's great. Right, we'll leave it there for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Subscribe if you wish to. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.